Okay, so today I'm going to show you how you can get on Blooket, how you can make a Blooket, and then how you can set it up for your kids. So first you need to go to www.blooket.com and click the sign up button. Now, this already took me in because I already have an account. Once you sign up with your school email and password, it will bring you in to look like this. So these are called Blooket sets, and they are ones that I already created, but I'm going to show you how to make your first one. So up here, there are all these different little icons. If you go to this one with the pencil and the box, it says create. You can title your Blooket set. So let's say that you're working on week 10 vocabulary set. You can name it that. You can decide if you want this to be public, meaning anybody can search for it and play it, or only playable by you. And then if you have your questions already made on a Quizlet, you can import them from there or a spreadsheet. Otherwise, you just need to put them in manually. So this is what it looks like once you have it labeled and the privacy settings saved. So you would start by adding a question. And in this area, you can type your question. So right now we are working on the root word co. So I could ask a question, or I could write a sentence like, my science teacher is letting us blank on a group project today. The answer being collaborate. Now, I can put the answer in here, collaborate, and click this box and then fill in my other answers. So our other words are commiserate, concede, and concord are just a couple of our other words. Now, down here, when it says random answer order, you don't have to worry about purposefully putting these in different orders for each question. You can actually just click, you can put the right answer in first every time and click the green button over here, and then it'll mix it up for each student. So I could put a question in like this and hit save, or I could actually upload a file and upload an image. So if I go to pictures, and let's say this is my picture here for collaborate. So I could ask the question, what vocabulary word is this picture depicting? And again, put all the answers in here. And then click this button here. You can also change the maximum amount of time a student can spend on this question. I have it automatically sets to 20 seconds. You can change it to give it, give students more time depending on what they're working on. So let's say that this is done. This is my entire Blooket. I save my set. And then this is all the ones that I have created. I would scroll down to find the newest set at the bottom, and I would click host in order to play it in class. So then here are a bunch of different types of games that are associated with Blooket. There's racing, there's different ones to simulate different video games, like tower defense is kind of like you have to acquire things to build up a castle. There's team ones. So really, I think the best way to do this is to try them out and see which ones your kids like the best, and then have them vote when you have tried them all out on like what they want to play for that day. So Gold Quest is a pretty popular one with my students. So I would click host game, and I could come down here and change the time to 10 minutes. I could change it to 20, which is a pretty lengthy time to play one of these games. I could make it 10, 15, whatever fits for you. Sometimes I make it an odd type of number like 12 or even 7, depending on how many minutes we have left in class, or if I'm just trying to squeeze in a quick review. Then you can click or unclick these buttons. The random name one, if you're worried about your kids making up inappropriate names, you could use that. Allowing student accounts, all different types of things. So then once you click Host Now, this is what will come up on your screen. And then all students have to do is go to blooket.com/play and enter in this code here. They do not have to have an account to join. And they can join on any device. So it's not specific to just laptops. They could join on an iPad. They could join on any other like handheld device if they have it. So then once they start playing, they will follow the instructions for the designated amount of time. And then at the end, it will show a winner. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me.